The energy beam curve can be found under SASSE Library Effects Energy. We can drag and drop that into our scene. And just a moment, there we go, it's all loaded. On the modifiers tab, the geometry nodes modifier, we have the resolution of the curve itself. So again, that's how many points are around this. And actually this one doesn't look like it has a subdivision. So if we crank it down, we can see when we go down to 3, we do get a triangular mesh. So the effect tends to work a little better when you have a little more geometry to work with, so we'll just give it that. Radius is how big around, and taper is whether or not we keep it the same size on both ends, or taper the one end off. So progress down here we can use to animate this effect, and you can combine this with other effects to get a like a blast when it impacts there. Leave it up, yeah, 0.5 is right in the middle. We can change the colors. We can change the emission strength. The energy noise, so that's going to be how big the scale is of that breakup between the green and the blue. Fall off noise is the scale of the noise that's breaking up the transparency from the effect. So bring that way down. You can see those are big blobby ends. Start cranking it up and you can see it's more jagged and sharp. So index of refraction, or IOR, here is going to control how far the spread of that inner goes versus the outer. And again, then progress to animate.